Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about 4 main picking and fingering exercises that I teach students to play some soloing. These exercises are really great for practicing control, flexibility, agility, accuracy, coordination, and strength for your hands. In this part 1 video, I'm going to talk about exercise 1 and 2, and in the part 2 video, I'm going to talk about exercise 3 and 4, which are much more challenging than 1 and 2. So I will start with something very simple, but you will find that it gets more and more challenging, alright? So let's get started with number 1. So exercise 1 goes 1, 2, 3, 4 on the left hand and right hand down up, so it's alternate picking. I would suggest you practice on 2 strings to start with, like this. Then you can practice on 2 lower strings, like this. Then you can practice on all strings. Back down. After you can do it well, then you can do it on all over the fretboard. I would suggest you start from this position and then go all the way down there, because the further you go this way, the harder it gets as the fret gets wider. So you move down 1 fret when you finish. Down 1 fret. Keep going down 1 fret. And then keep going down. If you're still a beginner and you find it to be challenging, you should start very slow. You should also think about right hand. Make sure it goes down and up, down and up, down and up all the time. Exercise 2 is the opposite, so it goes 4, 3, 2, 1 on the left hand and still down up on the right hand. For this exercise you can practice from the 5th position if you like, or 5th fret. You can put the index finger on the 5th fret and the pinky on the 8th fret. So it goes 4, 3, 2, 1 like this. And then when you move to another string, you have to move 3 fingers at the same time. Lift this finger and then move 3 fingers at the same time, and then you only move this finger when you need it. So you go like this. Then 3 fingers, then move the last finger. Back down, 3 fingers, move, 3 fingers, move, 3 fingers, move, 3 fingers, move. So by doing it like this, it will really improve your left hand accuracy and also helps you to minimize the movement. So later down the track you can learn to play faster. Then you practice on the 2 lower strings like this. 3 fingers, 3 fingers. After you can do it well, then you can do it on all strings like this. 3 fingers, 3 fingers. So after you can do it well, then you can do it all over the fretboard. You can start here if you like this. Then you move up 1 fret. Move up 1 fret. Up 1 fret. can play it very well, then you can always increase the speed if you like. So like this. After you can play these two very well, then you can move on to the next video, which is exercise 3 and 4. But if you still find it challenging, you keep practicing and then you will be able to move on. This is the end of the part 1. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons, and I will see you in the next video.